another episode of Design Cut Build. On this episode, Iggy and I get to work building a cradle for a really cool old seat that I've had from a Grumman S2F Tracker.
Here we go. So, step number 2, guys, now that we're done with the base, we're gonna cut out the rest of our sides out of the 1/8" plate on our nested sheet that we did on the computer. So, let's do it.
The gap idea will be visually
on both sides. Yes,
have
that
more
makes sense.
continuity
Actually.
other than having a tight V and then a big gap.
That makes sense.
It's not bad.
Okay.
That is awesome, Iggy.